Still looking for a perfect home in Costa Blanca? We are here to help you. I'm Kate from Eastyle Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you a two-bedroom house in Los Altos area of Orihuela Costa in Costa Blanca. And this is our lovely two-bedroom house in Urbanization Palmers with this large swimming pool, outside space at the back of the garden with a beautiful terrace and a private garage. Downstairs there is a private garage with a kitchen, storage room, toilet and extra room which can be transformed to a living space or office. And now I'll show you the solarium. Spacious rooftop solarium, very private, with enough space to put outside furniture or dining table and with a beautiful view outside. Let's come inside with me to the house. The house was recently refurbished with new windows everywhere and air conditioning. This is the terrace in the front of the house with lots of natural lights, double-glazed, warm and spacious. From inside we are entering the modern renovating living room. Through the arch next to the living room we have a separate, fully fitted kitchen, modern, with natural light, lots of cabinets, perfect for holiday home or everyday living. On my left-hand side we have a modern shower room, and here the first bedroom. On the same level, there is a master bedroom with fitted wardrobe, with lots of natural light and new windows. All amenities within driving distance, the famous golf courses, International British School and all the supermarkets like Aldi is behind me, just literally 5 minutes walk, Yosk and China Market. Today I've shown you a detached house in a beautiful area of Los Altos of Orihuela Costa, which comes with 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, private garage and private swimming pool, and this large communal swimming pool with lots of space, sunbeds, ping-pong table, kids playground and a trampoline. This property is on the market for 265,000 euros. Thanks for watching us. It was Kate from Eastyle Real Estate. Don't forget to like this video and see you on the next tour.